You're getting bombarded by spam messages coming from the contact form on your website. Here's what you can do to fix it. Go to google.com/recaptcha, go to the V3 admin console, and then you'll sign in with your Google account. Then you click this plus icon to register a new site. You can give it a label, whatever your domain is. You can do a score-based challenge, which I would recommend do the V3, and then add a domain where you're going to use this. So mycompanysite.com. And then you shouldn't have to change anything else. And then you hit submit. Once you've created this, it'll show you some keys that look, I'm not going to show you these keys, but I'll show you part of it if I go close. And so you can copy the site key and secret key. And then once you have those, you go back to your website. And let's say you're using Elementor, you go under settings, go to integrations, and then you'll see there's a section for recaptcha V3. So since we picked V3, you just paste in your site key and secret key, probably increase the threshold to 0.6 or 0.7. And then you scroll down and hit save changes. And then now you'd have to go to the individual page where you're using the form and add the recaptcha field. You just go to the form on your page, bring up the settings, and then add item to one of the fields. And this will be not a text field. You scroll down all the way to recaptcha V3, and you can ask where you wanted to put the badge. You can put it in the bottom right. Inline just means it'll display right underneath the fields in the form, so sometimes that's nice. And then save the page, and it'll show up. It'll start using this in the form when someone submits an entry. It's a similar process for WP forms or Gravity forms, whatever form plugin you're using. There's usually a place where you can add in recaptcha, site key, and secret key in order to start having it screen those submissions to make sure it's not a bot or spam.